Hey there, folks. It's day evening 60, I think. I'll fix it if it's not day 60 right there. Tonight, going to be doing some aluminum moldings. Now, to be honest with you, I did sneak out there earlier in the week and drilled holes in these pieces, and I marked them like that's for the back and the bottom. So these are all going on the lower section of the camper pod. So we're going to take a crack at doing some of these. I just got off work and I'm all geared up now to go at that. So it's basically going to be butyl tape and possibly some silicone and screws and patience. You may see a little fire over there in the background. We're just getting rid of some brush as well. So not going to be like super duper exciting, but I'm putting this butyl tape over these holes, and on the other side putting a small bead of caulking and then installing them. Pretty simple. It's a little cool out this evening, so the butyl tape is not super duper sticky, which makes it a little easier to work with. I'm just going to make sure it's nice and held there, like that. Pour some screws on the floor. Install screws like that. So what do you do when you have very little space in here and you don't have a right angle drill that's large enough? I do have one actually, but the head just fits in there and there's no room for a bit. You break out a socket and screw it in this way. It takes a lot of time, but there's no other way that I can attach it. Now it does work, just takes time. Screw it up there, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. I'll try to buy as much time as I can by rambling as I tighten it up, and it's getting pretty close to tight there now. There we go. I only got about 20 or 25 of them to do. Yep. Working on the lower piece up front now. And I've been running back and forth to the fire as well. My wife's been over there sort of tending to the fire, and I run over from time to time just to give a hand whenever necessary. Or even when not necessary, I go over and just take a look-see. Cut that right there. Stick it in place. Caulk this side and I'll install it. Well, this is certainly not glamorous. These long pieces along the side. It's a bit of a pain in the butt, but there's no other way of doing it. Well, maybe if I had some sort of corner angle driver thing to put them to my drill, I could possibly do it, but right now
bouncing on my head on concrete. I'm using my socket. Doing it, taking a bit longer, but I should be able to get everything done this evening. I'm hoping. There we go. That one done.
Okay, well that's it for evening 60. Well, that's what I'm calling it anyway. I've got just about all the moldings put on. As you can see, right, oops, there we go, right along the bottom there, and I got the front completed, and I've got the back. Ow, here we go. Got the back completed right across the bottom and up the other side. So I'm going to keep getting a little bit hungry now. So I'm going to keep the other side until next day. So it'll be like 2 little pieces that I'll have to do, and just being one step closer, having the camper pod ready. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.